This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Glenda Massey. Florida Dream Home. This idyllic home impresses as you step into a bright open floor plan with great room highlighted with soaring ceiling, floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace and wall of French doors overlooking your screened enclosed pool and lanai with views to lush landscaping beyond. Kitchen is appointed with new stainless steel appliances, sink, faucet, tile backsplash, refurbished cabinetry and breakfast nook. Split plan allows for ultimate privacy in your primary suite with new vinyl flooring and an amazing ensuite bath complete with sunken tub with new tile surround, stunning atrium windows framing enclosed garden space, separate shower with new fixtures, double vanity, new commodes and new flooring. Relax as you contemplate the extensive list of upgrades including a new roof in 2021, hot water heater 2017, newer AC and in 2024, pool pump, exterior and interior paint, window blinds, new vinyl in dining room, light fixtures, ceiling fans, new tile and entry porch, all light switches in the home, new closet doors and shelving and new door hardware. Your oversized garage offers space for storing your gear or enjoying your hobby. Located in a community of manicured homes coveted for its convenient location to Redbug Lake Park with its sports facilities including tennis and nature trail. So convenient to shopping and dining and ideal to easily commute to your destination. For more information, review the details below.